Okay, I'm on the street now. I'm alone because all my friends went to their grandparents' house. But I'm just stay home because my parents are busy. So I wanna show you the street here. I wanna show you. This is the street near my house. This is a mosque. This is a tree. Okay, I'm gonna walk to show you the street. This is the street. I'm walking, 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 walking. And there are a tennis yard. I'm gonna zoom it. There are a tennis yard. Well, I'm still walking. You can see that this is the street too. This is my neighbor house. You can see the neighborhood here. Okay, I'm back. I'm like to be here because so empty and I can see so many birds here and just walk like crazy. Well, this is a bad video, but it is for you. I hope you love it.